Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to find Photos app and click on it. Then click on Photos or Library at the bottom left or right corner. And after selecting one of your pictures that you wish to delete, hold it. Now to select multiple right away, use those dots at the top right corners. To exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, use this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!